Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to an EGR breakdown: loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. Rotate the turbo air inlet conduit clockwise to remove it. Remove the air inlet conduit from the resonator by pushing on the tabs and remove it from the airbox by pulling on it. You must now move the brake fluid reservoir. To do this, unscrew the two screws using a Torx T20 socket. Unplug the connector on the airflow meter. Disconnect the breather hose by pressing on the coloured part with a screwdriver. Using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket, unscrew the two screws holding the airbox silent blocks. Using a socket screwdriver and a Torx T20 socket, completely unscrew the three screws on the air filter flange. Don't try to take them out, they stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Pull out the holding tab on the flange. Then pull out the flange. Remove the airbox. You can now see the EGR valve. Disconnect the EGR valve. Using a T27 Torx screwdriver, unscrew the two screws holding the EGR valve and remove them. The valve can sometimes be difficult to remove. Remove it by wiggling it side to side. Using a flathead screwdriver and a vacuum cleaner, clean away the carbon deposits clogging the elements connected to the EGR valve.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Take hold of your new EGR valve and compare it with the old one to ensure that both are identical. You can now put the valve into place. Screw the holding screws onto the valve back in. Reconnect the EGR valve. Reinstall the airbox. To put the flange in, incline it so that the interlocking studs go in first. Then push it in so that it presses against the filter compartment. Retighten the 3 screws holding the cover. Reinsert the holding tab on the flange. Reconnect the breather. Reconnect the conduit between the airbox and the resonator. Reconnect the turbo air inlet conduit. Plug the connector back on the airflow meter. Screw in the 2 airbox silent block screws. Screw the brake fluid reservoir back in. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.